pieces fit in the inspection area.
It is less than 12 inches tall.
And we have our 230-second timer here.
Yeah.
And the mat is all reset. Wait. It's not reset. This thing keeps on falling. Yeah. So let's just start the robot runs. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. All the keys are in.
Where's it? Lower. Ready? Get it.
Oh my god. Alright, 2 minutes.
Go. 2 minutes and, yeah, about 2 minutes left.
Here.
Exactly.
Okay. And you put it in. Okay.
Get ready, Spartan. Get ready. And you got it all the way up to the top.
Yep. Now for the gotcha. Okay. Okay, put the red down.
Ready? What's it taking so long?
Okay.
Get ready for the next one. Get ready to take it off. Get it. 50 seconds left. I don't want it.
Okay.
Go, run it.
Cool. Okay. Oh.
Oh no.
Alright.
It's down blue. Get back. Get ready for dance party.
Okay.
Get it. Run it. And 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it.
Okay,
So
so what we did is the yellow cube. So there's not 12 cubes in there.
and then
And the yellow cube is in the area.
And then the basketball, it's all the way up with the cube inside.
Yep.
The red cube fell down.
Yep.
And both people are off the slide, and both people are back at home. They're right here and right here.
And so 3 health units are touching
The replay
the
logo,
rope, the refill logo, and so is the
innovation project.
yeah.
And this is on blue.
Okay.